You have heard about goals, but have you heard about OKRs? While OKRs and goals share similarities, there are a few key differences between them. Structure. Goals are typically broad statements that express a desired outcome, whereas OKRs follow a specific structure. OKRs consist of two components, the objective and the key results. Objective. An objective is a clear and concise statement that defines a specific goal or outcome to be achieved. It is qualitative and provides direction and focus. Key results. Key results are measurable milestones or metrics that indicate progress towards the objective. They are quantitative and define specific, measurable, and time-bound targets. Alignment. OKRs emphasize alignment and cascading. Objectives and key results are often set at different levels within an organization, from top-level objectives to team-level or individual-level objectives. This ensures alignment and connects everyone's efforts towards overarching organizational goals. Flexibility. Goals can be more flexible and open-ended, allowing for a broader range of aspirations. OKRs, on the other hand, require clear and specific objectives and measurable key results. The specific and measurable nature of OKRs encourages a higher level of focus and accountability. Tracking and progress. OKRs place a strong emphasis on tracking and measuring progress. Key results provide clear indicators of success and enable ongoing monitoring. Progress on key results is regularly reviewed, which allows for course correction and adjustments to improve performance. Continuous improvement. OKRs are often set for shorter timeframes, such as quarterly cycles, which promotes a culture of continuous improvement. At the end of a cycle, OKRs are evaluated, and new ones are set for the next cycle based on learnings and changing priorities. In summary, while goals can be broad and open-ended, OKRs provide a more structured framework with specific objectives, measurable key results, alignment, and a focus on tracking progress and continuous improvement. OKRs offer a more disciplined approach to goal setting and performance management. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about OKRs and maximizing your productivity at work, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Until then, I'll see you in my next video.